We're going to go through some positions which will get our body kind of moving, but we're not actually stretching, we're just hitting positions. Ready? Stomach tight, inside, reach, forward, hold, hold. Stomach tight, tight, stomach. Reach to the foot, hold, hold. Up, 2, 3, 4. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Feet and tall. Press, 2, 3, 4. Up, tall, 3, 4. Press, 2, 3, 4. Up, tall, 3, 4. One leg out. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Tall, 2, 3, 4. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Tall, 2, 3. Change. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, tummy tight. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Feet together. Tall. And reach, 2, 3, 4. Up. Tummy is strong. Reach, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it.